Hey yo everybody, this is Tuso Wasibini, singer-songwriter, artist extraordinaire all the way from Gomora. The song is called Sabela. Uma ubizwa Sabela. Come on, let's go.
Khona lento engihlupha emoyeni, khona lento engihlukumezayo, ngivusa ebusuku ngilele, ngenzisa amaphutha ngisebenza,
Hlukumeza umoya wami, thokozisa umzimba wami,
ayingenza happy, jabule ngize ngijule,
thokozisa umzimba wami, hlukumeza umoya wami,
ayingenza happy, jabule ngize ngijule.
Sabela uyabizwa. Sabela uyabizwa. Uma ubizwa Sabela,
Ayibophendula phela,
umculo uyabiza Sabela.
ayibophendula phela. Ithi kuhle nabantu ngabezwa, kuqala umculo engqondweni.
When I pop and rock and roll, when I R&B and soul, you khahlela kanjani chorale? Hlukumeza umoya wami, thokozisa umzimba wami,
Ayingenza happy, jabule ngize ngijule.
thokozisa umzimba wami, hlukumeza umoya wami,
Ayingenza happy, jabule ngize ngijule.
Sabela uyabizwa. Hey! Oh, Sabela uyabizwa. Oh, uma ubiza Sabela,
Ayibophendula phela,
umculo uyabiza Sabela.
ayibophendula phela.
Come on. Hayibo.
She.
She. Come on. Yo, so this next song actually is a song that I wrote in my mother tongue. It's one of my proudest songs actually because, a lot of people don't really think or believe that I can actually speak my mother tongue so fluently because I was born and bred in Gomora, and they ask, how do you get to speak so fluently when you didn't grow up in the area? But hey, look, we've got parents and grandparents that pass these things on to us. And like I said, it's one of my proudest songs on the album because it's in pure Sipulana. Pure Sipulana. No compromise there. So yeah, please enjoy it. And if you don't understand, ask Emupulana what the song is about. Yeah, but it's basically saying, look, it is what it is. It is what it is. If people trample you and do what they do to you, doesn't matter. On. God is there, Doesn't matter what other people do. So yeah, enjoy. On. All right.
Bobo malela teng Ke rune bana ba kwale Ke bana ba motekangwere Re magarudi Get out Tony Get out Tony Come on Wawa go seba Get out Tony Wawa go raba pelo Get out Tony Aba go tana na buji Get out Tony Ya wait Balise get out Tony Mutimu jeneni Smile, don't see my pain, you see my calm, don't see my trauma, you see the laughing, but never the crying, you see me care, never giving up, you see me living, don't see me die, now you see me, now you don't, we need you Lord, you see me smile, don't see my pain, you see my calm, don't see my trauma, you see the laughing, but never the crying, you see me care, never giving up, you see me living, don't see me die, now you see me, now you don't, we need you Lord. Hey! Broken people, broken world, on your mark and turn the wall, stars on every corner bend, we need you Lord. Broken people, broken world, on your mark and turn the wall, stars on every corner bend, we need you Lord. Hey! You see the wealth, but not the raw, the fancy cars, the glamorous life, but never how. I'm dying inside on Instagram, it's a purple life. I shut the door like shattered glass. Oh dear Lord, please take the wheel. We need you, Lord. You see the wealth, but not the wrath, the fancy cars, the glamorous life, but never how. I'm dying inside on Instagram, the purple life. I shut the door like shattered glass. Oh dear Lord, please take the wheel. We need you, Lord. Yo.
You see the fall, but not the rise. You see the shores, but not the ties. You see the scars, but not the cries. Cause although we call, they don't reply. I scream for help, to no surprise that no one cares and no one tries to ease the pain of our demise. I pray for change, hope we'll survive.
What if God was one of us? Just a stranger on the bus. We're on earth a little while. Remember me in paradise.
All right, so this next song that we're going to sing is titled Hush, literally Hush. And I remember the inspiration behind the song was a friend of mine was going through something, mind is racing, is asking, oh, what should I do? What should I do? And I was inspired to write this song because, we go through so much as human beings. We are constantly thinking about this and that, how to improve our lives, how to get that, how to achieve this. Sometimes just take a minute to just silence the noise that is inside of you. The internal noise, there's just so much going on in our minds that we don't get a minute to even just be hush. So yeah, this next one is Hush. Hope you enjoy it.
Peace and quiet, a precious commodity. Finding calm in a world full of chaos, such a tall order. overload of anxiety, fear, depression. Oh, the mind never stops, thoughts blowing everywhere. Suppress, pause, decide, and do. I know it gets hard sometimes, but first you gotta hush. Won't you hush, my brother? Hush, my sister. Just hush. Hush. Just hush. God is gonna make it alright. But first you gotta hush. The world is noisy, but God, He whispers in the silence of the heart. You can probably hear Him speak. He cannot be found in restlessness. If you listen, you'll hear Him. Oh, Tulunga Kali, mama. Find you a little corner and be quiet. Tulunga Kali, mama. Hush that internal noise so you can hear.
Oh, it gets hard sometimes.
Oh yeah. First you gotta hush. Won't you hush, my brother? Hush, my sister. Ooh, just hush. Kwenzeke emhlabeni uhlangane nezinto ezingaphezu kwakho, ungazi kwenze njani na, ngisho noma bathi ukholwa kanjani. Kuvele kubethe uthwele ubunzima kazi yoshona, kodwa khumbula tasekhaya, lo okudalayo uthembekile. Kholwa noma ungaboni, ifike imvana ibambe ngesandla ikhiphe osizini. Ifike imvana isule inyembezi ithi woza mntanami. Lokho bona ngani na, uthwale ubunzima ungasakwazi nawe. Isimo siba nzima yo, ubambelana lana la kungahlangane. Awutholi imsebenzi bakubekela phansi, umshado unzima. Hey, kodwa khumbula tasekhaya, lo okudalayo uthembekile. Kholwa noma ungaboni, ifike imvana ibambe ngesandla ikhiphe osizini. Ifike imvana isule inyembezi ithi woza mntanami. Uyikhaka, yeah, uyikhaka mntakimi. Ikhiphe osizini. Ifike imvana isule inyembezi ithi mntanami uyikhanga
But please enjoy this one. It's called Sacramente. Let's go.
Chechisa, Bitzangbo Malume, Lebora Khadi. Yabo! Ay, chechisa, Bitzangbo Malume, Lebora Khadi. Ay, ngwana kenene wachada, Leia Khomozoni. Ay, ngwana kenene wachada, Leia Khomozoni. So morimo asigahlanye siyero, akunawo akasichafula. Walala wasala wena my Feel My Heartbeat live session. It's been amazing to serenade you for this 1.5 hour. Thank you so much. Much love. It's Thuso Wasibini signing out. Yeah. Woo!